Hiya, welcome to another allotment diary. It's absolutely gorgeous evening and I'm here to do a little bit of weeding and a little bit of like over-excited plant control. But I'm aware it's been a couple of weeks since I last made a video and I just wanted to do a really quick short update for you guys and it'll give me a chance to really look at what's going on and see what needs my care and attention and see what's just loving this really crazy mixture of heavy rain and gorgeous sunshine. So I don't really know where to start. I suppose since I'm over on this end of the plot, I need to give you an update on the tomato situation. It's a bit of a mixed bag. I've got some questions, I've got some things that I need to admit that I've not been doing very well, but I'll just show you. So they were all on this area here. James helped me move them over there and like tie some string around, but I've just not been taking very good care of them. I mean, look at this is something I pulled out and it's not really produced any fruit at all, and when I came here today it was like on the side, so there's some like snails that I need to get out. And also this is an issue that I found where they've split. So I think that's because I've been inconsistent with watering. Sometimes they've gone like really dry and then other times just had like a lot of rainwater, or I've just come over here and like give a really good soak. But I think that's because it's been inconsistent. So, and it's not just on that plant, it's on these ones over there. See, it's on these. So like, I don't know if that's even safe to eat. Let me know in the comments if that's safe to eat. This looks really bad, but they look. And they're topping over a bit. You got some fruit there, up there. Yeah, I don't know how I feel. I've had like a couple off there, like I've just like seen one and it's been ready to go, so I'm like, I'm gonna have that before it dies or something, and that tasted nice. But I think I just needed to give them a bit more attention and stability. I've learned my lesson this year. I can't just stick a steak in a pot and expect it to just be okay. The amount of times I've come here and they've been on the side is just ridiculous. So next time I think I'm definitely going to put them in a bed. Like, these look lovely, but I think because I've let the plant go a bit rogue, they might not ripen, and the like, what do you call them, the spindles or whatever they grow off are like really mature now, and I'm afraid of like breaking something, you know. I didn't realize how fast they grew. Anyway, lesson learned. Talking about how fast they grew, the weeds are something else. I came over here the other day to clear the path, just to, you know, keep some self-respect going. But I definitely need to keep on top of it more. This is the brassica bed. And the Brussels sprouts, fair play to them, I think they're dead. Although, no, I think they're dead. They've been completely eaten. Yeah, that's been eaten as well, wherever the hell it is. They've been eaten. It's just not very good. I will say though, these beetroot are really happy under here. They're growing much stronger under here than they were over the other side. This is doing really well as well, this kale. And so is the parsnip, really enjoying life. I just need to come over here and get all these horrible weeds out, which is what I'll be doing today. And since I'm already over here, this is where the pumpkin has grown too. It's like taken over everything. What was I thinking? But it's massive. It's going all the way over here. Got these pumpkins. Little baby one there. I think I'm going to cut the end of this, which is what I did over there. And this going over there. The purple sprout and broccoli looks happy and healthy. Looks a bit eaten and chewed up in some places, but considering I was asking about staking them up, they're really fine on their own. Thank you to everybody who's commented. I haven't had a chance yet. I'm going to reply for everybody who's been saying about good places for me to get scaffolding netting from. So I'm going to read through them and have a look on what to buy and then return this back then to my neighbour. I'm looking around because I haven't actually like had a really deep look before I started filming, and it's just crazy. This is like a jungle. It's gone over there, and all the way around there is mental. This is a cucumber plant. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's bloody massive. That's my hand. That is massive. Okay, is that ready? I feel like that's ready. There's another one. Oh, my nose. Down there as well. That's meant. I can't wait to show this footage to James. He's gonna like be beside himself. There's that little mini one there. I didn't think they were gonna grow at all. I thought they had to be in a greenhouse. I'm shocked. This is the other one as well. Has that got any fruit on it? I don't. Oh, there's like that. No, that's that plant. This plant isn't doing as well. That's okay. Spring onions. They're okay. They're fine, but they're not ready yet. These onions are looking fabulous. Absolutely fabulous. I can't believe they looked like that before and now they look like that. This one is looking really good as well. Looking so good. So good. I don't know why I've got another bloody pumpkin plant by here. I don't know what I was thinking at all. Zero excuse for my actions. This is meant to be a, I think it's a butternut squash plant. But I can't see any butternut squash yet. Nothing at all, nothing, no squash. That's fine though. I think my pak choi has had its day. I think I'm gonna rip them out. This beetroot is ready. I think I'm gonna harvest him today. The other beetroot's looking really weak and a bit rubbish. And I don't know if you know why. They were planted quite a time apart, but come on, look at the size difference between that and like, I'm really not sure what it is. I'm not sure why it's acting and behaving this way. And I've got mushrooms growing. Oh God, that can't be a good sign, surely. Look at these sunflowers. They're massive now. This one's so tall. Height difference. It's up there. That's crazy. One of them is covered in bees as well. Go on, bees. I'm encouraging, go on, bees. But they're massive now. And it looks like we've got some courgettes to pick as well, which is always fun. The beans are doing really well as well. Plenty going on this side as well, finally. So we got some here. Oh nice, we got some there as well. I have no idea when these are ready to pick. And I have no idea what to do with them either when they're ready. So if you have any recipes, let me know. I just want to give you an update about the pumpkin from this side of the plot as well, because it's reached over here. Last time I was here, I decided to cut the end. So this one looks a bit sad about it. It's doing something weird. This one seems fine though, so I'm hoping that it's going to reserve energy rather than continuing to grow onto the path and becoming a hazard for everybody else. It's going to like bring the energy back and put it in to the fruit that's already there. That's my logic anyway. I don't know. So I guess all that's left to do now is there doesn't need to be any watering because the ground looks like it's got plenty of moisture in it. I'm just gonna harvest what I can. And because I'm closest to this is the first one. Lush, perfect. And I think what I'm most excited about harvesting today is going to be the beetroot. There we go, he looks cute. Yes, it's a tiny harvest, but it's more than I had last year before I started. So yeah, I'm chuffed. I'm excited. As you can see, there's been a lot of growth on the plants and everything, but there's also been a lot of growth on the weeds. So that's what I'm really going to do now for the rest of the evening. I'm going to chuck some headphones in, listen to a podcast, and kind of do a bit of damage control on the neglect that I've kind of given it, because even though I haven't been filming in the last couple of weeks, I have been coming down here just to make sure there's been enough water and things like that, but I haven't given like solid days like I did right at the start. I don't know whether it was like the heat was too much or just like too much going on. I'm not sure, but no excuses. I don't want to you know, undo all the work that I did, because it was a lot of hard work, and I want to keep going as well, because I've only just started. It's only like, I don't even want to say a quarter, it's literally like an eighth of the plot. So I want to make sure that I keep up momentum and sort out this mess. It's a mess. I'm a mess, but it's okay, because, you know, we can come back from this. Oh god, anyway, I hope you enjoyed. It's a really short, snappy video, but if you liked it and you want to keep following me on this weird journey, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.